अस्सलामुअलैकुम। होमोटॉपी पढ़ रहे थे हम। अलजेब्राइक टोपोलॉजी के अंदर पहला टॉपिक जो हमने देखा था होमोटॉपी। देन जो है हमने पाथ होमोटॉपी पढ़ा, फिर इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन पढ़े। अब हम कुछ एक नया टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, पाथ्स, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पाथ्स। तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पाथ्स की डेफिनेशन देखते हैं फर्स्ट कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पाथ्स की डेफिनेशन क्या है। इफ़ एफ इज़ अ पाथ इन टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस एक्स फ्रॉम x0 to x1 means f is a path continuous function या continuous map from I to x and such that f of 0 is equal to x0 and f of 1 is equal to x1 means this is the path f from starting from x0 to x1. This is the path. And if g is another path from I to x, continuous function from I to x, and satisfy such that g of 0 is equal to x naught and g of 1 is equal to x1 means g of 0, this is g of 0 also, and g of 1 is equal to x1 or x2, and this path is g. And then we will define how to product of two paths. Product of paths. Product of paths written as f steric g. F concatenate g to be the path, to be new path h given by the equations written as denoted by this h of x. No, sorry, h of s is equal to f of 2s when s is starting from 0 to half, and g of 2s minus 1 when s is starting from half to 1, in between half and 1. If we substitute h of 0, then we will lie at this portion. So f of 2 into 0 is equal to f of 0, and f of 0 we will get x naught. If we put h of half, so we will lie at this portion. So f of 2 into half means f of 1, and f of 1 is equal to x1, and half equality is already hold at this point. So if we put h of half is equal to f of 2 into half minus 1, sorry, g. So g of 1 minus 1 is equal to g of 0. Then we will get x1 already also. So if we put 1, h of 1, so we will lie in this portion, and h of 1 is equal to g of 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to g of 1, and we will get g of 1 is equal to, as we know that, 2. Means that starting from x0 to x1, there is a path f, and from x1 to x2 there is a path g. At this condition, at this equation, we can see that at s is equal to half. We saw at previous page f of 0 is equal to x naught when h of 0 at h of half is equal to f of 1, and we know that f of 1 is equal to x1, h of half already, g of 0, so g of 0 is equal to x of 1, x1, the terminal point of this and starting point of this, and h of 1 is equal to g of 1. So g of 1 is equal to, we will get last terminal point x2. We can see that at x is equal to half, we will get g of 0, and f of 1, and f of 1 and g of 0 is equal to x1, means that at s is equal to half, we will get same points of these functions. We will same input, okay, same output x1, and according to pasting lemma, the domain A intersection B and x belongs to A intersection B, if f of x is equal to f of g of x, g of x, if the x belongs to A intersection B. So h of x is defined at this point. Okay, so this path from starting from x0 to x1 at this f of 0, and this is f of 1, and starting from here starting from here g of 0 and g of 1 is equal to x2, means that this point is glue, and this point the intersection of this interval 0 to half and intersection half to 1, means s is equal to half is the intersecting point of these two intervals, and at this point g of 0 is equal to f of 1. So this function, this function we already defined previous page, h of s is equal to f of 2s, and g of 2s minus 1 is continuous, means this is the product of path. We glue this point and join this both the paths. So this is the definition of path product of path and path concatenation of paths.